Are you looking for the best water heater review? In this video we will look at some of the best water heater review on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HAOYUNMA Tankless Water Heater. No need to preheat before using the tankless water heater. As soon as you turn on the tap, the water flows with your desired temperature. Note: this product does not have a serial number. If you don't know how to install the water heater at all, it is recommended not to buy it. Comes with smart digital LED display, high definition large screen, freely adjustable, the temperature between 30°C 65°C. Note: this product does not have a serial number. If you don't know how to install the water heater at all, it is recommended not to buy it. The natural gas water heater is upgraded with 12 protection methods to ensure your safety, such as dry burning protection, over 65°C 149 degrees Fahrenheit protection, leakage protection, etc. Note: in cold weather, if the water heater is not used for a long time, it is necessary to open the pressure relief valve to drain the residual water in the water heater to prevent the exchanger or water pipe from freezing and swelling. Number 2. NoEnName Null Tankless Water Heater. Our tankless electric water heaters have been rigorously tested and have multiple protection functions: water and electricity isolation, Kbxlife waterproof, leakage protection, dry burning protection, automatic power off in over temperature and inactive states. 3000 watts high efficiency output mini water heater, fast heating in 3 seconds, constant temperature to maintain the best water temperature for you. The water temperature can be remotely controlled and controlled by touch screen. Adjustable temperature: 86 degrees Fahrenheit 131 degrees Fahrenheit. The home water heater has a mini body, easy to install in the bathroom, kitchen, and under the sink. Standard 1/2 interface inflow or outflow, can be directly connected to household conventional hose connectors. Large color digital display, comfortable water temperature, suitable for shower, washing food, bowls, clothes, face, hands, etc. Washing hands and face frequently with hot water can effectively prevent various diseases such as colds and make the body healthier. It is an essential water heater for every family. The upgraded tankless water heater can be controlled by remote control and button, and the operation is simple and free to adjust the temperature. Lightweight and easy to install, vertically facing up or down. Small and exquisite water heater saves space. Installation and disassembly simple. Number 3. NoEnName Null Electric Hot Water Heater. Temperature of hot water outflow depends on the water temperature from inlet as well as the volume of water flow. It varies in different regions. The water temperature you get is not necessarily within the water temperature range in the description. If it's cold in your area and you have high water temperature requirements, please do not buy this water heater. The water heater must be installed vertically. Before using the machine, first turn the water on and then power on. Avoid damage. The water heater needs to reach the required water pressure to start. Be sure to check out the instructional video before using. If you don't understand, contact customer service. Do not modify the water heater without permission. There is a certain difference between the display temperature and the actual water temperature. Number 4. HYUNDAI Electric Water Heater. Product type: intelligent instant electric water heater. Material: tempered glass panel. Operating voltage: 220 volts / 50 Hz 60 Hz. Heating power: 8000 watts. Maximum temperature: 55 degrees Celsius. 3-speed power adjustment: 6000 watts 7000 watts 8000 watts. Smart type: smart chip. Intelligent power adjustment: the intelligent chip automatically matches the power according to the water temperature. Control mode: touch button. Waterproof grade: Kbxlife. Requirements for electronic instruments: 60. A power cord requirements: 6 square millimeters. Standard copper wire. Net weight: 3 kilograms. Product size: 395 by 225 by 65. Color classification: black, white, light yellow electronic English manual. If you need an electronic English manual, please contact the seller. If you have any installation problems, please contact the seller. Number 5. Kbxlife Instant Water Heater. It is a high-efficiency water heater with compact structure and can produce hot water quickly. Fully automatic. Open the water valve and start heating automatically. Close the water valve, stop heating and keep on standby. 2 heating modes. Custom temperature mode, 30 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. Gear mode, 1.5 gear. 2 operation methods, touch operation and remote control. Remote operation. 2 power versions, 110 volts 4000 watts, suitable for US, Canada, etc. 220 volts 6000 watts, suitable for Europe, Australia, Middle East, etc. Suitable for use in the bathroom or kitchen, easy to install, easy to use and practical. This is a safe heater, energy saving, water saving, no pollution, no exhaust gas,